Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adwoa Doreen. Thank you for clicking on today's video, period, guys. Today is Saturday, February 12th. It's 7:04 in the morning, guys. This is the life that I want to live. Like, I woke up early, I have energy, I'm ready for my day, guys. I'm so excited because I'm changing my life. Okay, I'm changing my life because I'm tired of the procrastination. I'm tired of the tiredness, the sleepiness, like, I'm tired. This is not me. This is not my best self. So I'm getting it all together, okay? If you are new here, thank you for clicking on today's video. And if you're returning, I appreciate you so much. Regardless of what status you fall in, what category you fall in, kindly do subscribe. I'll give you guys a minute. It's 7:06. I need to be done. I'm giving myself 2 hours to revamp my room. And the only new thing that I've purchased is a new bed, like new bedding, because my old bedding, I use all white bedding, guys. It requires more maintenance and sometimes you just have to change it more often. The first thing is change my bedding. The second thing is I have so many clothes in my room that I haven't put into the closet. Like, this is like stuff that I've been buying for like my birthday, which is in like 3 months. Like 2 bags worth of clothes in a box of clothing that like either needs to be like put away. Like, I just need to put it away. It can't just be sitting in bags in my room. So just make sure all my countertops are like clean, my carpet is vacuumed. You know, my room just needs some TLC, okay? You guys, I started off by clearing off my bed, taking off all my pillows. And after I took off everything, my bedding was off, I proceeded to put on the new bedding that I bought. So let's listen to some music while I do that. Guys, y'all see this vanity? It looks a mess. I'm gonna go ahead, clean it up, clean my mirror, and then afterwards I'm just gonna tidy up the whole space, and then you guys will hear my voice again at the end of the video. So stay tuned, do not leave, keep watching. Okay guys, here is the section of the room. I've went ahead and I've organized all of my jewelry. I'm really happy with it. It's all organized. Step back, here is my mirror, of course, and then I've organized all of my shoes and everything. So yeah, my bed is made, my bed is good, and then my vanity looks really good. It's clean, everything is good. And then guys, here I am. Here I am. Hey guys, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. I said I was gonna be done by 9, but I got distracted. My mom called, my friend called, my brother called, everybody called, so it's 9:50, but I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content on this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and go follow me on Instagram. And yeah, have a wonderful day, my loves. Bye. Mwah.